Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue when your Motorola Signature is overheating during 8K video recording. So what you have to do is open the camera application and then in video mode, if you have 8K selected, tap right here, then select settings. And now, in order to fix the overheating, we have to disable efficient videos. So disable saving as HEVC, because this format will use a lot of storage and RAM memory of your smartphone, as well as the processor resources at the same time, and this often causes your device to overheat. Disabling this compatibility also reduces the video quality slightly, but since it's still 8K video, I don't think it should matter too much. But in case your device overheats, this is the right solution. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.